Alright guys, so what we have here is an XY axis cross slide table. This thing is, heavy duty. It probably weighs 600 pounds just by itself. What it has a handle here, and you can just easily move the table left, right, back and forth, and it's on precision guide rails. Or you can spin the handle and move left or right, or move back or forth, and it takes no effort. It's just smooth as silk. I can just spin it. It's on precision bearings. The whole table is. It's got all kinds of holes so you can attach stuff. It came off of a comparator. This is a basic comparator. Comparator was bad, but this table could be used for many projects. So that's it. Just think like you use it as a drill press table or a CNC table. There's all kinds of ideas.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.